Hello, today we will guide you through how to export or print notes from Notebooklm. To begin, open Notebooklm in your web browser. Once the site loads, you'll be ready to access the notebook that contains the notes you want to work with. Make sure the page has fully loaded so all notebook options are visible before moving on. Next, click on the sample project. This opens a notebook so you can view the notes inside and prepare them for export or printing. If you're following along with your own content, the process is the same once you've opened the notebook you want to use. After the notebook is open, look below the notes for the Copy All icon and click it. This will copy the full set of notes to your clipboard in one action, which is a quick and convenient way to move your content out of Notebooklm. If nothing appears to happen, that's normal in some cases, so just continue to the next step and test the paste. Now open Microsoft Office on your computer. You can use a word processing app, such as Microsoft Word, since it gives you an easy place to format, save, and print your notes. Opening the notes in a document editor is helpful because it lets you review the content before printing and make sure everything copied correctly. Once Microsoft Office is open, paste the notes into a blank document. You can do this using your usual paste command or by right-clicking and selecting paste. After pasting, take a quick moment to check the document. Make sure the full note content appears and that the spacing and layout look clear and readable. This is especially useful if you plan to print the document and want it to look clean on the page. When everything looks good, click on File at the top left of the screen. This opens the Document Options menu, where you can access printing controls and other file actions. Moving through the File menu is the standard way to print from most Microsoft Office applications. From there, click on Print. You can also press Ctrl and P on your keyboard to open the print window more quickly. Once the print screen appears, follow the on-screen procedure to complete the printing process. At this stage, you can usually choose your printer, the number of copies, and other print settings before confirming. That's all it takes to export your notes from Notebooklm into a document and print them successfully.